are driving towards Lohagad Fort. It's 9:30 in the morning. Initially the plan was to leave at 6:30 a.m. लेकिन आँख जल्दी खुली नहीं and पता नहीं कब 7:30 हो गए. Since we left at 7:30, we did expect that there is going to be a lot of traffic, and guess what? We were absolutely right. फूड मॉल में हमने बहुत हेवी ब्रेकफास्ट किया. फिर एक्सप्रेसवे क्रॉस करके we crossed a narrow ghat on our way towards the base village. Right now we are at Lohagad Wadi. This is the base village and the steps start from there. You can reach till here and you can park your vehicles over there. There's ample parking available. You'll have to pay a nominal fee to enter the fort, which opens at 9 a.m. in the morning. ट्रैक बहुत ईजी है. शुरुआत से लेके ऊपर तक स्टेप्स है. वीकेंड्स पे आओगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड मिलेगा. सो इफ़ यू कैन कम हियर ड्यूरिंग द वीकडेज, नथिंग लाइक इट. Lohagad literally means iron fort. This is a very ancient fort. It was occupied right from the Chalukyas, Satavahanas, Rashtrakutas, all the way to the Mughals, and last but certainly not the least, the Marathas. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured Lohagad in 1648, but he was forced to hand it over in 1665 due to the Treaty of Purandar. Well, he recaptured the fort back in 1670. There are a total of 4 doors or darwazas to this fort. The one that you see right behind me is Narayan Darwaza. Apart from this one, there's Ganesh Darwaza, Maha Darwaza and Hanuman Darwaza. To reach this fort, one, you can obviously have your private vehicle and get down at Lohagad Wadi. You can board a train from Mumbai Pune and get down at Lonavala station. From there you can board a private shuttle till Malavali station and you can board an auto from there. It's around 8 to 10 kilometers. You can also board a bus and get down at Lonavala. From there you can board an auto and reach here. Finally, after driving all the way to Lohagad Wadi and climbing some very easy steps while adoring the surrounding landscapes, we reached the top of this magnificent fort. Water tanks, ancient temples, dilapidated cannons. These architectural remnants tell stories of the once golden past this fort had witnessed. Behind me you can see Lohagad's sister fort, Visapur. Lohagad and Visapur were very important forts from a strategic standpoint because they were used to guard the trade route that went through Borghat. Before we end this video, let's undertake a final flight over Vinchukada, a beautiful extension of the fort which resembles a scorpion's tail.